How to use Monday.com for social media. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for social media management and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to go to Monday.com and you will land on this platform right here. Monday.com is a project management software and a CRM. With Monday.com, we can get more productive and we can manage in different categories such as creative and design, software development, marketing, project management, sales and CRM, task management, HR, operation, and workflows. In order to get started with Monday.com, you're going to click on Get Started button on the website. Now, you can actually sign up for free and there's no credit card required. Enter your email address or you can also sign up with your Google account. After the initial sign up or sign into your Monday.com, this is where you will get. With Monday.com, you will be getting your own default workspace, and this is what it will look like. With Monday, we have our own workspace. A workspace has its own boards, and each board has its own list tasks. Today, I'll show you how we use Monday.com for social media management to maximize our social media productivity. In order to get started, first, we're going to create a new board. Click on this Add button right here and click on Choose from Templates. Inside our template center, we have a lot of different templates to choose from. We have different categories such as marketing, project management, content production, HR, and more. When it comes to a social media managing, you can go for a content production or a project management template. Or you can search for social media in the search bar. This is the perfect match. Social Media Planner. Create, schedule, and design all social media content in one place. This is what we were looking for. So I'm going to select it. Now click on Use Template. So this is our template and we got two boards with it. Social Media Planner and Social Media Plan. So this is the one where we will be working. First of all, we can change the name according to us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it the Social Guide. Moving on, we have different views on Monday.com. We have the main table, we have a calendar view that we're getting with this template. We have files because it's important. We will be uploading a lot of different files according to our social media. We have a timeline, and Kanban, word cloud, and ready to schedule. You can also click on this add view and you'll be able to add more views such as cards, we have forms, file gallery, dashboard, chart, and table. So after that, you can also invite your team members. You're going to go at the top right here where it says invite, and I'll be able to add my team members. So if you have a social media manager, you have an assistant, you have a marketing team, then this is perfect. You can add all of your marketing agents right here and they will have this board for you. So now you can see with this template, I got month. So we have a month 1 and then we have month 2. These are the groups that have been created. First, we have month 1. And I can create another group which is going to be month 2. So you can see, let's say month 1 is already scheduled and everything is done. So let's actually start from the scratch and create a new group and we're going to call it month 2. I'll show you how I will create something like this. So this is going to be month 2. With month 2, I'm going to actually schedule per week. So I'm going to go with week 1 and then we're going to add another item for week 2. Let's add another one for week 3 and then we have week 4. Here we have 4 weeks that I want to plan for my social media. Let's actually expand the view as well of our main board that we have. So you can see we have month 2 and we have week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. After that, you can see we have different columns created for each task. So you can open it up and here we have our week 1. Right? So it has been created as an item here. I'm going to actually go ahead and write the description here. And let's say I want to add a Facebook post for that. Keep in mind, we can also give our item this name. And now I can assign it to our marketing agent, or maybe I can assign it to myself. After that, we can add files. Click on add file and you'll be able to add files from your computer. We can add from Google Drive, Dropbox, from Box, and OneDrive. This is important in social media managing because you will be uploading the pictures you want to add, the videos that you want to add, reels or TikToks that you want to upload to your social media. You can upload here. We also have GIFs, emoji, and mentions right here in the description. Again, we have a file option and activity log. Okay, now I feel like there are less columns to work on because we only have the posting schedule, post copy, contact calendar, we have lead, and then we have interior design. We don't actually deal in interior design, so I'm going to delete this column. So in order to delete a column, it's actually really easy. You click on these three dots right here, click on delete, and the column will be deleted. In order to add a new column, you're going to swipe all the way till the end, and then you're going to click on add column, and you can add column for status, timeline, numbers, people, date, text, contact boards, priority, and more. And then you will add all of your social media posts here. We have edited image, we have add URLs, we can add Facebook posting status, then we have Twitter posting status. So it has already been created with the template. Let's say that I have actually scheduled this for Facebook. I have also scheduled this one for Twitter. I have actually published this one on Instagram, and I have also published this one on Pinterest. Then we have a LinkedIn post. So I don't have LinkedIn for this one, so I'm going to just skip this. Similarly, I can create, we have another item for week 2, and similarly, I'll just add the person, assign it to someone. We have design status, we have edited URL, edited images. If this is not the template you're looking for, you can, of course, customize it according to yourself. And this is what it will look like. You can see we have different days here, and we have leads here, we have design statuses, URLs added, we have Facebook posting status. Similarly, we have Instagram status, and we have last updated. This is how you work on Monday.com for social media. And this is actually pretty impressive how Monday.com can help us organize our social media as well and get more productive. We also have the integration option available within Monday. So it will take you to the integration center. In integration, you can see we have featured, we have communication, we have e-commerce, finance, and we have almost all of the integrations available. When it comes to a social media, LinkedIn is an important integration that we can add. So you can click on LinkedIn and it will be added. Similarly, you can actually add your social media accounts to here. We have Toggle here for scheduling. We also have MailChimp for email marketing campaigns. So make sure to add integrations as well. We can also create automations within our Monday board. For instance, when an item is edited, notify the publisher or notify the proofreader to proofread the script that I have written. So something like this, you can create automations right here. Click on add new automation and you will be able to create automation. We also have our notification section here. We have inbox that will allow me to collaborate and communicate with my team better. We have my work here. We have invite members again. And we have a quick access to everything. If I take you back to the workspaces, and we can switch to the calendar view as well. This is important, and I want to show you. A calendar view is actually really impressive when it comes to a social media managing. I prefer a calendar view as well because it gives you a very quick idea that when you're going to post what. So for instance, I want to schedule or add an item for Thursday. So I'm just going to click on add right here, and I'll be able to create a new item here. I'm going to call it post 101, enter, and the item will be created. So this is how Monday.com works, and you can use it for your social media. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.